Hello all. Today I'm going to be reviewing the UTO bag. You get it on Amazon. It's a really great price, a really soft faux leather bag, and we'll jump right in. Anyone else looking forward to the weekend? So we will be reviewing the UTO bag, and you know, I really love this bag. It's really soft and really floppy, and I'm just a sucker for soft and floppy. So let's get started. One feature I do love are the backpack straps. I also love that there is a ton of faux leather, so it does hang down my back. If you are a fan of that, I am a very, very huge fan of it hanging farther down my back. I don't like it up here. I do like it farther down. So this bag is perfect for that. It is pretty full and still very comfortable. And it also has this grab handle. I love the grab handle. And it also has a shoulder strap. Now you can take off the shoulder strap, so if you know that you're only going to be using the backpack straps, you can remove that, and now you just have the grab handle and the backpack straps. I like having this because I like all options. I have 2 toddlers, 3 and 4, and then I also have a 7 and a 14-year-old. So I stay pretty busy, and I like to be able to move from shoulder to backpack. We'll get right in here. Now, the features of this bag are this really large, huge front pocket. Up here, we have a very large pocket as well. And I'm going to grab my iPhone here. And we have an iPhone 6 Plus with the little popper, and it fits perfectly in there. And it zips, and there's still some room, so if you wanted to put chapstick or anything like that, you could put chapstick and that would fit nicely as well. So, phone, iPhone 7 Plus, I'm sorry. And in this front pocket here, I have a Print Impressions wine for fall, because fall is my favorite. B6 Traveler's Notebook. Now, Kane does a really, really great job. This one has oatmeal stitching and brown elastic. It is the 6, so it is chunky, and it fits very nicely in this front pocket right here. And there is also still room for you to put something else if you didn't want to put a planner. Also, the Happy Planner Mini would also fit in this pocket. Let's put that right there. Now, on the side pockets, I have 2 14-ounce water bottle pockets. Or water bottles from Costco. I will be doing a review on these. I absolutely love them. It does take some persuasion to get in here because it does have a little bit like a sticky adhesive, I guess from the design, but they are so awesome. 14 ounces. It does have the wide mouth, so you can put ice cubes in there. And then also, one of my favorite features about this particular sippy cup is the handle. It's so easy to grab. Now, these work very, very, very well with my Miss Fong mini and my full size. Also with my Fawn design, and with my UTO it works, and with all the minis it works as well. My Alice Unique bag, they flow in and out, and this is really convenient, so I could just grab it and go. But I will be doing a review of these, and they are from Costco. They do have pink and purple, and I'll be doing a giveaway on my next video with these bottles. So we've gotten this front pocket cleaned out, and it's relatively huge. And then this front pocket here, where I had my iPhone. Now, It does have this back pocket here. I don't have anything in there today, but what I normally would put in there is a small set piece with mommy things. The monk fruit, tea bags. I usually keep my essential oils in here. So that all can fit in here, and it is really spacious. Right, now let's move on to the inside of the bag. I am packed for an entire day. So 2 toddlers, a 7-year-old and a 14-year-old. And this holds very, very, very well. It's not very heavy on my back. It is comfortable to wear. Let's go on in. It does open very wide. So you can see, even though I have all this packed up for an entire day, I still have room on top. So I could probably fit my Tula or a wrap or a ring sling would probably fit really nice right here on top. Now in this back pocket over here, I don't have anything in this one. So there is a zipper pocket here. I don't have anything in that one. In this pocket right here, in between this zipper pocket and this one, I have my wallet, and it doesn't go deep. So I always have the handle on my wallet. When I'm baby wearing, or toddler wearing, I should say, it's so easy to get into my bag and just pull the one thing that has a strap, and that's my wallet. So this is a small set piece, GGB black olive. I do keep a coin purse, and it has coins and cash. I also keep this card holder that I got off of Amazon. I believe it was $4, but it has insurance cards, license, a few of my debit cards that I use, and Costco, rewards cards, things like that. I will be using a Be Charged probably in my next video. Just I want to see how it works out to keep all my insurance cards in one place and keep that kind of separate from my debit cards and maybe take less time. Or I might put tabs on here from the Planner Society to keep it all organized. I haven't figured that out yet, but I will work through it. I love planning. So next I have a large GGB black olive set piece, and it does fit very nicely in here. So you can see I still have tons of room. Right, let's dig into this large set piece. Okay, so I mentioned before I have a 3-year-old and a 4-year-old. My 4-year-old is potty trained and my 3-year-old is working on it. So when we're at a play area in the mall or at a play zone, my 4-year-old sometimes doesn't want to take the time to go to the restroom, and I don't blame him. It's just so much fun. You don't want to leave it. So he sometimes has accidents too, not very often, but I do keep in this large set piece a change of clothes. So 4 T-shorts, and I also have 3 T-shorts for my 3-year-old in case he has an accident. Then I have 3 T underwear, 4 T underwear, and another 3 T underwear. Because I'll give him 2 chances, and then he's out. He's back in the diaper. All right. Next, we'll go into my medium Jujube Sea Punk set piece. Now, I do have 4 boys, so having something girly and fun is a must. So it has the bright pink lining, and I love it. I love bright pink. I love that it's sea punk. Donatella is one of my favorites. So in here I have a small white pouch, and in these white pouches I do keep wipes. I do have another white pouch that I keep sanitizing napkins or Clorox wipes depending on where we're going. Then I also have a Jujube light change pad. It is pretty big, so, but it does fold up really nicely. And I have 2 number 4 diapers, Pampers, and that all fits very nicely in my medium set piece. Now in comparison to my large set piece, I'll show you, it's same length. Large set piece is a little taller, but this is perfect for diapering needs. You can also put a strap on this, a small strap, and this is an easy grab and go in case you have someone or a baby or toddler still in diapers. Let's see here. Now we're moving on to another medium set piece. I did plan for all day, so just keep that in mind when you see these snacks. This is all day. Medium set piece, black olive. I love the organization that Jujube has. Here I just have snacks for all 4 kids. Paw Patrol little gummies. My 14-year-old likes the granola bars. And I do have bribe candy. So when one of my toddlers is really sleepy, I'll baby or toddler wear. And sometimes it takes some convincing for them to get in the toddler tula, so I'll slide them an M&M or 2 because I know that they're really tired. So, and then in this zipper pocket right here, so it's in between where I pulled out my wallet, which was right here, and this zipper pocket, there is another zipper pocket, and here I have a puzzle from the dollar bin at Target. Have I mentioned how much I love Target? My 3-year-old absolutely loves puzzles, and whenever I saw that Target had all these little puzzles, I grabbed one of every kind because he loves puzzles and it keeps him occupied at the dinner table or at a restaurant for at least 15 minutes until I have to pull out my trusty play pack case, which I also got from Target. So that is all that I have in this bag, and it is for an entire day. And if you can see how soft and floppy it is, it does have many options to carry. It doesn't wear on your back. It doesn't start hurting your back. It doesn't hurt your shoulder. Very well made. And I will be doing a review on the 2 Costco cups. So like and subscribe, and we'll be doing a giveaway next time. Hope you all have a fantastic day.